Ba't na tayo mong ano, pagkain sa ulo?
Oh, it's a pen.
What?
A sack.
Ah, it's a tiger.
No, it's just a sack.
Wow, it's a dog. It's a dog.
No, it's just a turtle.
What?
There.
What's that?
Turtle.
Turtle?
What's that?
There.
It's a dog?
No, it's just a turtle.
Ah, it's a fish.
It's a ate. Look, it's a ate.
No, it's just a turtle. It's just a turtle.
What's that?
Ha?
What's that?
A jellyfish.
What's that? Dinaan mo na naman sa arte mo eh. What's that?
Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
Oh, eto, what's that?
I think it's a shark. Look.
It's a lock. It's not sack. It's a fish.
What? It's not a shark, it's a fish?
Yeah.
No, I think it's a shark.
No, what's this?
What's that? It's a shark?
No, it's just a fish.
Look at fish na face. Oh, ganun pala yung
Tingnan mo yung tsura mo sa damit
Tignan mo yung
mo.
face ng fish.
Ginawa mo sa kalokohan mo.
Oh, it's a shark.
It's a shark?
It's a crab.
What's that?
A crab.
A crab? Where's a crab?
There.
No, it's not a crab.
Ano, may maliit na crab.
Oh, meron ba?
Nakikita eh.
Fish.
Hindi ko nakikita eh. Aray,